Look at how these towels are folded. Folding them this way only takes a moment and is very easy. Before we start, I want to remind you that you are in another video on your Aslo Easy channel. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of towel folding videos on this channel. You'll see how easy and you'll see how fast. First, we stretch our towel well. Now we fold it in half. From the middle, folded part of the towel, we take one end and fold it. As you can see, going a little bit through the middle. The other side, we do the same thing, going over the top. Now we are just going to turn it over and start rolling it from the bottom to the top. It is important that you press a little bit so that the towel is well compacted. And the last thing we have to do is to put this little tip through this hole. We put it well so that it does not come out, and that's it. You have the towel perfectly folded. Look how quick and easy it was, because that's how most of the videos on our Aslo Easy channel are. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next video.